Hey Facebook fans!
Hey guys!
Hey, how's everybody today? Hey, we're here today to talk about probiotics. Something that a lot of people take. Sometimes they don't really know why they're supposed to be taking it. Someone's recommended that they take it. They go to the store, they look on the shelf, they're lost, they're like, which one do I take? So we're here today to talk to you a little bit about them, kind of clear up some of those misconceptions. And also to tell you that when you are selecting a probiotic, you want to make sure that it has a really high billion count, at least 10 billion, and with lots of different strains of good bacteria. Bacteria, there's good and bad bacteria. Carrie will talk about that a little bit. And the truth is we all have to have bacteria or we wouldn't survive. So Carrie, what are some of the things that you recommend your patients?
Yeah, there's lots of reasons why we need probiotics. The ones that we have for sale have 3 different strains, and Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium are the 2 main bacteria that get destroyed or become altered in our gut. And then also Saccharomyces boulardii is also in this, which is the bacteria that's been found when someone takes antibiotics.
Right.
Then we need to replace that type of bacteria as well. So why do we take probiotics? Well, the gut microbiome can change at any time. That can be a recent surgery, trauma, stress in someone's life can cause some inflammation and changes in the gut. Antibiotic use, like we talked about, and any contamination from the foods that we consume or the water or fluids that we drink. So lots of reasons why the bacteria can change. We have good, we have bad, they become altered every once in a while, and that's why we have to supplement our diet with a good, healthy probiotic. This has a strain, like Angela said, some will have maybe 1 billion colonizing forming units or CFUs, and it's really just not enough to make that difference within the gut. And so there's also probiotic and prebiotic foods, like fermented foods, that we also need to try and consume in our diet. However, when we can't, because of the area we live in and we don't have a nice Whole Foods, then we use the supplement to do that. And not only are probiotics good for our gut health, they're also good for women's health. And Valerie is our women's health guru here at Trinity Health and Wellness, and we love that about her. So tell us a little bit about what you use your probiotics for.
So with vaginal health, it's very, very important to take a probiotic. Really doesn't matter what stage of your life you're in. As a woman with issues with bacterial vaginosis, yeast infections, those things, and UTIs and things like that, that can affect any age. But especially when, our perimenopause, menopause patients, when the estrogen starts to deplete in your body, the lactobacillus does as well, and that's the dominant bacteria that we have in the vagina. And so when that starts to deplete, that is preventing that fungus and the yeast and the bad bacteria from adhering to those vaginal walls, and then you get an infection. So adding these probiotics, adding that lactobacillus into the vagina helps prevent those kind of infections.
Right.
So, and we see that all the time.
Right. And so with adult health, with women's health, we also look at children's health. Our children are exposed to foods that we weren't having 20 years ago, and so that's also changing their gut microbiome. So we also have the Florabite chewables. Kind of tastes like a dreamsicle.
It tastes really good.
We've all had a sample of it just to see, so that we could tell our moms and dads what this is like. But this is for children, usually age 5 and up. We'd like for you to consult with us if it's for a child younger than that. But this is just one chewable every day. It gives them 5 billion colonizing forming units. And so if they have an ear infection and they're on an antibiotic, they really do need to be on a probiotic for that next month. And so even if you're not a patient of ours, you can come in and buy these products, and we can help talk you through that if your child had an antibiotic as well. So if you'd like the child probiotic, you would just hit comment sold 102. And that's for the children. And the adult probiotic, that's the 20 billion, you would hit you would comment sold 101. And so those directions will be down below, and you can find our link and go look at some other products in the stores. We keep bringing them out to you. So
watch for more videos.
Yeah. See you guys.
Bye.